In recent years, the world has been facing a growing energy crisis and environmental challenges due to the increasing use of fossil fuels. This has led to a significant interest in developing sustainable technologies that can help reduce our carbon footprint and create a more sustainable future. Hydrogen fuel cell technology has emerged as a potential solution to these challenges, and Toyota's latest hydrogen engine represents a significant step forward in the development of this technology. In this video, we will explore the features and benefits of Toyota's new hydrogen engine and its potential impact on the automotive industry. So, let's dive into the details and find out what makes this engine so unique and promising in the fight against climate change. As we continue to rely on fossil fuels, we are contributing to the growing problem of climate change, which has far-reaching consequences for our planet and future generations. The development of sustainable technologies, such as hydrogen engines, is crucial in reducing our carbon footprint and creating a more sustainable future. Toyota's new hydrogen engine represents a significant step forward in this effort, and we are excited to explore its potential impact in this video. Hydrogen engines are not only efficient and clean, but they also have the potential to significantly reduce our dependence on fossil fuels. This is because hydrogen can be produced from a variety of sources, including renewable sources, such as wind and solar power, as well as from natural gas and biomass. Additionally, hydrogen can be produced locally, reducing the need for transportation and distribution, which can further reduce emissions and increase energy security. The use of hydrogen fuel cells in vehicles can also help reduce our dependence on oil, which is a finite resource and subject to price fluctuations. This means that hydrogen engines have the potential to create a more stable and secure energy future for us and future generations. Moreover, hydrogen engines have the potential to significantly reduce greenhouse gas emissions, which are a major contributor to climate change. When hydrogen is used as a fuel, the only byproduct is water, which means that hydrogen engines are one of the cleanest types of engines available. This makes them an attractive option for governments and organizations looking to reduce their carbon footprint and invest in sustainable technologies. However, the production of hydrogen is not without its challenges. One of the main challenges is the high energy requirements needed to produce hydrogen. This means that the production of hydrogen can be energy intensive, which can offset some of the environmental benefits of using hydrogen as a fuel. Additionally, there is currently a lack of infrastructure for hydrogen engines, including hydrogen fuel stations, which makes it difficult for consumers to adopt this technology. Despite these challenges, the potential benefits of hydrogen engines are significant. By investing in this technology, we can create a more sustainable future for ourselves and future generations, while also reducing our impact on the environment and improving energy security. As more research and development is done in this field, we may see the cost of producing hydrogen engines come down, making them more accessible for consumers. In conclusion, hydrogen engines represent a promising technology that has the potential to revolutionize the automotive industry and create a more sustainable future. While there are still challenges to overcome, the benefits of hydrogen engines are significant, including their efficiency, power, and environmentally friendly design. By investing in this technology, we can reduce our dependence on fossil fuels, improve energy security, and reduce our impact on the environment. Toyota's new hydrogen engine is a significant breakthrough in the development of hydrogen fuel cell technology. It uses a new combustion method called spark-assisted compression ignition, which allows the engine to compress hydrogen gas to an extremely high pressure, causing it to ignite spontaneously when a spark is introduced. This process is similar to how diesel engines work, but with hydrogen instead of diesel fuel. The new combustion method used in Toyota's hydrogen engine is much more efficient than previous methods, resulting in better fuel economy and lower emissions. Toyota claims that the new engine has an efficiency of 50%, which is significantly higher than gasoline engines' efficiency of 30%. The new engine is also incredibly powerful, with a maximum output of 134 horsepower and a torque of 300 Nm. These figures are impressive, especially considering that hydrogen engines are generally less powerful than gasoline-powered engines. Additionally, the new engine can run at a higher temperature, which further improves its efficiency and reduces emissions, making it a promising technology for a more sustainable future. Toyota's hydrogen engine is incredibly efficient, producing more power while using less fuel than traditional gasoline engines. This efficiency translates into lower emissions, making it an environmentally friendly option. Additionally, the engine's design is much simpler than traditional engines, with fewer moving parts. This means that the engine is less prone to breaking down, requiring less maintenance and repairs. The engine's simplicity also means that it can be produced more cheaply than traditional engines, which could make it more accessible for consumers. Furthermore, the engine is incredibly powerful, making it a viable option for larger vehicles. The high torque produced by the engine makes it perfect for use in larger vehicles such as trucks, buses, and even boats. This means that the engine has the potential to significantly reduce emissions in the transportation sector, which is a major contributor to greenhouse gas emissions. Finally, the engine's only byproduct is water, making it one of the cleanest types of engines available. This makes it an attractive option for governments and organizations looking to reduce their carbon footprint and invest in sustainable technologies. The use of hydrogen engines in vehicles can help reduce our dependence on oil, which is a finite resource and subject to price fluctuations. This means that hydrogen engines have the potential to create a more stable and secure energy future for us and future generations. Overall, the benefits of Toyota's hydrogen engine are significant. Its efficiency, power, and environmentally friendly design make it an attractive option for consumers, governments, and organizations looking to invest in sustainable technologies. While there are still challenges to overcome, such as the high energy requirements needed to produce hydrogen, and the lack of infrastructure for hydrogen engines, the potential benefits of hydrogen engines are significant. By investing in this technology, we can reduce our dependence on fossil fuels, improve energy security, and reduce our impact on the environment. Despite the potential benefits of Toyota's new hydrogen engine, there are still several challenges that need to be addressed. Firstly, the production of hydrogen is energy-intensive and requires a lot of electricity, which is usually derived from non-renewable sources. This means that hydrogen engines are not as environmentally friendly as they may seem, as the production of hydrogen can still contribute to greenhouse gas emissions. Secondly, there is currently a lack of infrastructure for hydrogen engines, with very few hydrogen fuel stations available. This makes it difficult for consumers to adopt this technology, as they may not have access to fueling stations in their area. This lack of infrastructure also makes it challenging for manufacturers to produce hydrogen-powered vehicles on a large scale, as there is not yet a widespread demand for these vehicles. Finally, the cost of producing hydrogen engines is currently much higher than traditional engines, making them less accessible for consumers. However, with further development and investment, we may see the cost of hydrogen engines come down in the future, making them a more viable option for consumers. Overall, while Toyota's new hydrogen engine represents a significant step forward in the development of sustainable technologies, there are still several challenges that need to be addressed before hydrogen engines can become a mainstream option for consumers. Before we wrap up, we would like to extend our sincere thanks to Toyota for sponsoring this video and supporting our efforts to educate people about sustainable technologies. Toyota has been a pioneer in developing hydrogen fuel cell technology, and their new hydrogen engine is a significant step forward in achieving their goal of creating a more sustainable future. If you're interested in learning more about Toyota's hydrogen engine and their commitment to sustainability, we highly recommend visiting their website, where you can find more information about their innovative technologies and initiatives. In conclusion, Toyota's new hydrogen engine is not only a significant step forward in the development of sustainable technologies but also a potential game changer for the automotive industry. Its impressive efficiency, power, and environmentally friendly design make it an attractive option for consumers, governments, and organizations looking to invest in sustainable technologies. While there are still challenges to overcome, such as the high energy requirements needed to produce hydrogen, and the lack of infrastructure for hydrogen engines, we believe that the future of the automotive industry lies in hydrogen engines. By investing in this technology, we can reduce our dependence on fossil fuels, improve energy security, and reduce our impact on the environment. We hope you found this video informative and educational. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more technology news and reviews. Thanks for watching, and let's work together towards a more sustainable future.